back to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to schedule a YouTube video for a later access or for later posting. So let's dive in. So this is our YouTube. Okay, so guys, if you want to post your video, the first thing we need is, sorry guys, I'm not downloading. Okay guys, it is our YouTube interface. So what we're going to do is, let's go. Okay guys, so now let's go to our channel, and this is what you're going to do. To go to your channel, and click on new, and click on channel, click on view channel. This is it. Now let's create our video and schedule our video. Click on create and upload a video. So I'm going to upload one video now and schedule for later. So I'm just going, okay, let me click on this video now. I'll click on this video, click on it, click on next. Now you're going to add the details, you're going to add the description, your public listing, you're going to add everything here. So click on public, and this is it. Click on schedule, and this is it. You're going to schedule your video here, what time or what day and what year and what exactly moment do you want to post that video. So I'm going to just say as a, you can see, you can set your date here. Maybe it is next week Monday. Just go up here, click on that next week Monday of September. You want to post the exactly video for exactly time. Maybe it's for something more coming and it's not yet coming. You just schedule your time, your date, your time, your month, year, and click on OK. And automatic, you can also set the time you want that video to drop on your YouTube. Just click on OK, and immediately the video is going to drop at the exact time that you have scheduled. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.